My name is Dara. So today I want to make donuts for my biology and English assignment.
So, the ingredients needed are 1 teaspoon salt, 3 egg yolks, 3 teaspoons of vermipan, butter, 400 grams of flour, water, refined sugar, and double-acting baking powder. So first, put the flour into the machine and add all the ingredients except butter and salt. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is important in making bread, has properties that can ferment maltose quickly. Lean dough yeast improve osmotolysis properties, sweet dough yeast, rapid fermentation kinetics, freeze and thaw tolerance, and have the ability to metabolize the substrate. The use of yeast in the dough is very useful for developing the dough because of the fermentation process of sugar giving the aroma alcohol.
Now, we wait until the dough is smooth and I use the rebread tool to stir the dough. By the way, I already entered the vermipan beforehand on the flour. And now we stir the mixture using a spatula and put the butter and salt. And when it's poured, we wait until it's soft. So now the mixture has been mixed. So the next step is fermentation for 1 hour. The dough can be lifted and stir using your hands. For a while afterwards, we can form a ball weighing 40 grams, but our hand and silicone use flour so that it is not sticky. And when we clasp the middle with our index finger. But before being given a hole, we press the dough first. When you have finished the middle hole with a finger, we can fry the donut using oil and the donuts are ready to be served. If the color has browned, When it's done, we use refined sugar to eat it to make it more delicious.